Another great SUV option is the Freedom Motors version that's done on the Kia Sorrento. This Kia Sorrento has the power liftgate and power ramp option. So Eric will demonstrate how that ramp works. It uses hydraulic actuators to open up the rear liftgate, and then the ramp is going to come out. It's a bifold ramp, so it's going to give you enough distance on a manual chair like Eric has to be able to get up into the vehicle. Once you're inside the vehicle, you can either use the control unit on the remote, or there's a button on the dash. So they'll be able to close that up once you're inside.